Once again, welcome. I'm gonna show you how to make a drum. We're gonna make it in hip hop, old school style, or boom bap. In this case, I'm gonna do it old school. That could be from tempo from 70 to 90, and I'm gonna start working on the kicks and the snares. As you can see, I'm correcting some errors from the previous class I teach. So we're gonna delete those and we're gonna make sure it match with the tempo because I had it in 120. Now I had to move it. That's not the style I wanted to work. It is very important you know the style you want to make your beat when you start it. So you can start anywhere. Like in this case, I'm starting in the drums. So I will do some of the mistakes we do when we're making music, and we know that it's not matching. So what I'm doing right here is touching to add and touching to remove, and I want to position the kicks and snares in a way that they can synchronize and you can hear it constantly good. I'm almost getting closer there, as you can see. So I'm gonna try to do a few more changes. As you can listen, right now it's got much better. So we got it. Now once you get it, you have two options. You keep going and make some variations, or you can copy or paste the same thing. But you always have to make sure the distance is the right distance according to the tempo. So the example I'm gonna give you right now is to show you when a bit is not accurate. So it's right here I'm adding on, but the distance is not the right distance, so it's not working properly. So to copy and paste, you just gotta hold your finger underneath, and then like if it was a mouse, just go and make a square with your finger, and select them. That's how you select them in FL Studio Mobile. So I'm gonna select them to delete, because the first way that I did, the first pattern that I did, it works perfectly. So we're gonna leave it like that. I'm gonna have to get rid of a few things here and delete this, as you can see. So most of it will be deleted, also that one at the end, and then little by little. So once you finish with the snares, with the kicks and the snares, we're gonna add another drum. Same thing. AOA is the drum that you use for hip hop. So we're gonna go to the hi hats. We're gonna try to work on the hi hats, and what you can do when you wanna make your hi hats, you wanna play the drums you already built, and gonna start to add some hi hats, and add it in a way that can synchronize with the rhythm. So as you can see, we're gonna tell it to fill everything. And now we're talking about music now. I hope you like this video. I hope it helped you. And keep going. So I'll keep posting more. Let me know in the comments what do you think. Thanks for watching.